Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I have another amazing Solana meme coin for you guys here today. It is called BELUGA CAT. Now you guys know cat season is popping off. This is going to be a cat summer, a meme coin season. The meme coin mania continues. And I'm bringing you guys a very, very small cap BELUGA CAT coin right here at a 1 million market cap. If that sounds good, smash that like button because we're going to dive directly into this. And I'm going to show you guys all about this coin and why I think this coin can really perform in this cycle. Let's go, guys. All right, folks, we're inside my computer here looking at BELUGA CAT, 1.07 million market cap, sitting at a price of this 1071 right here. As you guys know, I want you guys, if you guys are going to do your research and look at these coins, to look at them within the range of the price that I'm showing them. I think that this is a fair price. I picked up a lot of this thing, a little under 900K market cap yesterday. It is popping off already, and it looks like this is trying to form a new level right here. Now, you guys know the way that trends work over here. This thing has been doing a downtrend for a little while here. We had lower highs forming the entire way down. Lower highs, guys. Lower highs till right here. This happened right here, right? So it may be a false alarm, but we broke out above all of this. What happened here? Now we're retesting this area, thinking maybe we could push back up again. If we push up again and we break above all of this, we may form a new trend here on BELUGA CAT, guys. So if I have your attention, guys, let's dive into why this might be a good coin for you guys to pick up and have on your radar for this cycle, guys. Now, honestly, the chart looks pretty fair. The chart looks pretty good right here. This thing popped off really, really hard, went to about 10 million market cap, and we're only sitting at a 1 million market cap. So we're a whole 10x from the top on this bad boy. As you guys can see, if you pull this up right here, you're looking, you know, like, yeah, solid, like almost 900%. You know, you're looking like a 10x if you're trying to go back to the top of where this thing once was. Now let's look into this thing. Let's look at what we actually think about BELUGA CAT. Why do we like BELUGA CAT? Let's take a look at this right here. BELUGA CAT is a community takeover. The most famous cat on the planet is on Solana now right here. So it's a really funny looking cat, man. This meme is absolutely insane right here. They got 1,800 followers on here. BELUGA CAT Soul. You guys can pull open the website, take a peek at what they've got going on in here once this bad boy loads. Massive face on here. I like the website. I think the website actually looks pretty phenomenal. Nice and simple. Look at 0% buy and sell tax, slippage 1.5%, 1 billion supply. You guys can read all about BELUGA CAT right here. Highlighting points right here. The contract is renounced. The liquidity pool is burnt. Give us a rug check. And we have people on Telegram available to talk 24/7 right here. So even just reading a portion of this is pretty solid right here. Where and how to buy. They give you all of everything that you need to know. If you guys want to look at this, want to buy, I love that. That's pretty cool. They got a you got a doob in his mouth over here. You could watch the tutorial, or you could hit this button and you could buy via BunkBot. They have an actual link that'll take you directly to it. They've got their socials up here, Instagram. They've actually got an Instagram page as well that you guys can check out. How much? They've only got 130 followers on here, but look, they've been doing stuff. They've been sort of active on here. You know, normally you don't see that they have their own Instagram. They've got their own TikTok page, which is pretty cool right there. Let's see how big that is. They've only got 18 followers, but the bottom line is they're there. They're making a presence, and they're making a presence on each platform here, which I like that. I like that. How about the Telegram? We got 589 members in the Telegram with the 1,800 in the Twitter. And you got about 4.8K holders over here, guys. So the metrics actually look very good on this coin, guys. Now, if you guys pull open the bird eye, you guys can actually scroll down to the bottom of the bird eye. It'll actually show you the decentralization down here of the entire project, about how much each person in here is holding. You know, our top guy is only holding 2.7%. Radium doesn't count. Radium is where you buy the tokens from. And even this one, see how it's sort of starting to form like a new trend? It kind of broke out of this downtrend. Like if you guys form any kind of trend line here, you could say that whatever trend this thing was running has broken. This trend has broken. So you've broken this downtrend, and I waited. I rode BELUGA before. I rode this pump. I rode this massive pump over here on BELUGA. I didn't ride the entire pump. I really didn't ride the entire pump. I rode it to like here, guys. I rode this, and I sold at the top, and I didn't buy the dip, and I missed the top. So I turned $450 into $1,300 on Beluga in about a day. It was an overnight run. I waited for it to go all the way up. I waited for it to come all the way back down to about 900K market cap, and then I bought back in. Now I'm up money again. I'm rolling in this bad boy again. If it comes down more, I'll buy more. But I do have a fair amount of Beluga that I'm happy with holding, as well as the fact that I see that the downtrend is broken. Like, you could even extend this up even further, and rejigger it any way that you want off of any one of these trend lines. And this green candle that you had right here broke out of this downtrend. So the downtrend is broken. It probably will consolidate for a while. Not sure how long a while is for a coin like this. It kind of just depends on how active they are with the project, how well the market does overall. But I think that this is a good buy. I think this is a good token that you guys can have on your radar and take a look at right here. And they are verified on Twitter. Look at, you can see blue check. Some coins, when you click on them over here, you click on them and you click it and it says that the account is suspended and you don't have a Twitter. This one is verified on Twitter. So you definitely have a good shot here for Beluga to do some major things. Right here, 11 hours ago they posted, 4 hours ago, 5 hours ago, 7 hours ago, 8 hours ago, 9 hours ago. Guys, they're very, very active. One more thing I want to look at right here is this guy right here. He's doing a comparison between these meme coins, these Solana meme coins right now, these cat coins. PopCat is a $500 million market cap. Michi went to 207 million. SC went to 92 million. And Beluga's still only at 1.2 million. Right now, as I'm bringing it to you guys, it is sitting at a regular, like a 1 million. We're sitting at a 1 million market cap here. And they're basically showing you guys, this is the comparison. Like, we're early. We're like really early to this thing here, guys. So do your own research with this, because this could be a risky bet, but it also could be high reward. High risk equals high reward, guys. If you guys find something like this that isn't yet established but will soon be established, you guys can make a killing. You really could. And that's not financial advice. That's why I say do your own research, and I also say try to buy at a price close to where I recommended it, right? Now, where am I going to recommend that you guys get this at? Because I did the same thing with Shibi earlier, guys. So look at this right here. You guys, I wouldn't say buy this any more than maybe a 1.5 million market cap right now. Until we see that the downtrend is actually broken, you might get fake outs. These could be considered fake outs. It'll pump up like this and you'll be like, oh, it's bullish, and then you guys will buy at 1.7 million market cap, 2 million market cap, and then what happens? Boom, boom. See, now that's why I say don't fuck around. Don't buy things too expensive, way more expensive than I said to buy them for, because I'm willing to buy here. Because why? Because if it dips back down, I'll add more at 700K or 600K. I don't want you guys to buy at 2 million market cap and then have it dump to 700K and you're down 60% of your money. And I'm teaching you guys a quick lesson right here. You would literally be down 60% of your money if you guys wait and buy it up here because you saw the video late and you thought that the downtrend was over, but it wasn't broken yet. Even if this thing did pump up here, you're looking for a little pullback first. You're looking for this thing to come back to this area, back to where I'm recommending it before it continues on upward. So that's basically what I'm telling you guys is, the name of the game with these Solana meme coins is to get them at the best prices. Because you can really make some serious money if you get these things at the best prices. If you don't get them at the best prices, you'll get creamed, you'll get destroyed. And you saw, I showed that that thing is going to go to the moon right there, but you've got all this. You've got all this. Even as high as I said the damn thing could go. Look at, you've got fucking insane gains ahead of you. So do keep this on your radar, because I think Beluga Cat really has a high potential to do something big, especially with all these socials set up with a verified Twitter. And look at this. They are on the Jupiter strict lists. They are official on the Jupiter strict list. You see the green check right there, as well as the blue check on Twitter. So those are definitely some major green flags here. Those are some green flags. Green flags mean go. And at 1061 at 1 million market cap, that's fire. And the liquidity is pretty good too. I mean, 100K liquidity for a coin with 1 million market cap, that's pretty solid, guys. I like what I'm seeing here. I think Beluga is a good buy. And if you got value out of this video, smash that like button. And I'm going to bring you guys more videos like this, and I'll probably bring you updates on Beluga as well coming soon here, guys. So thank you for watching. Appreciate you guys taking the time to check me out, and have an amazing day. I'll see you guys in the next one.